Today I've got an emergency stop switch, the kind where you push it if you have an emergency. These are used on a lot of process equipment in factories. This one happens to be off a truck with a aerial work platform, an aerial lift. Some people call it a cherry picker. Some people call it a bucket truck. I'll call it a bucket truck. Anyway, this is off of a bucket truck. And the object is, if you're up in the basket and something goes wrong with the truck, you kill that and it kills the motor on the truck, which is powering all your hydraulics. So the way I was able to get this one off, I went behind the panel. I backed the screws out, this one and this one, and that allows this thing to get loose. So the way this goes together is like this. This thing goes in, give it a little bit of a turn, and then you just tighten those screws against the back of the panel and it kind of sandwiches it in there, if you weren't familiar. The knob on mine just unscrewed. I don't think I really had to unscrew that now that I think about it, but that's how that comes off. But the working part is right here. So as you're pushing this, you're seeing that part is just coming back. That's how it works. Some emergency stops have to turn, you have to turn them a little bit to get them to come out. This one is old-fashioned, it pushes out. Anyway, we can see on this meter, why am I fixing this? If we get continuity, that beep will happen and you'll see a change there. So we got no continuity there and no continuity there. This one has failed. I was a little concerned at the price because the bucket truck is a very complex machine and you don't want to put too much money into any one piece because you got a full engine, the truck chassis, transmission, you know, all the hydraulics, all the lift stuff. Telemechanique is known to me to be pretty expensive. From a place I used to work, we used to use these. But I found out this one isn't that way. And I was wondering, are these parts even available? The truck is over 20 years old. Could it possibly be? And that's all this is, folks, is just a little push button thing. And look at this 10-pack supposed proper part ZB2BE101. It was here. It really doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right, but we'll just do it the same way. Unbelievable. It fits that old 20-something-year-old truck wiring, the original switch. These were very cheap to come by. I'll put a link in the description. Continuity, 0 ohm resistance. Try that again. Verify the repair. Nothing there. That is how we rebuild a 20 to 30-year-old Telemechanique switch. Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.